2020, marine biologist Callie Wielenturf asked a powerful question. What if Panama's nature had rights like people? She joined forces with Congressman Juan Diego Vasquez, just 23 at the time. Together, with support from the Earth Law Center, they drafted a groundbreaking law. Law number 287 recognizes nature as a living being with rights to exist, regenerate, and be restored.
Al reconocer y defender los derechos de la naturaleza, se abre un camino para una protección plena, duradera y sostenible, asegurando el futuro de la naturaleza en sí misma y los derechos de las futuras generaciones.
The law also affirms that indigenous cosmovision and ancestral knowledge must guide how these rights are interpreted and applied.
The law honors indigenous wisdom and invites citizens, businesses, and the government to join in actively protecting the earth.
Panama's Rights of Nature Law 287 has already been used and cited in many major court cases and implementation to the executive. This proves that a new generation of leaders who think differently and how to protect nature are real and are able to change things.